Greetings and welcome. This is a quick update for all the clients that have reached out since January. You guys know who you are. All of you who have reached out through the website and left your emails, I have sent you follow-up emails to schedule the coaching and human design and nervous system therapy. Make sure, so this is the real message, right? Make sure you check your spam folder. Because I'm called eyecreatelines, sometimes the emails end up sent to the spam folder. So all of you who have requested information and scheduling about sessions, check the spam folder and make sure that you got the email. So this is what I wanted to say. Some of you have responded, some not. I think it's about the spam folder. So this is the first thing that I'm gonna say. That's the easiest thing that you guys can check. This goes out to all the future people as well. And then also, there are a few ways to get in touch, right? You can send an inquiry through the website where you send like your message and it gets to me and then I send the message back. You can also direct message me on WhatsApp, which is also on the website. And the third option is that you can email me directly at eyecreatelines@gmail.com. These are the ways that you can get in touch for human design analysis, nervous system regulation, emotional therapy, talk therapy, breath work, calming down anxiety, getting you out of depression, getting all the energy that has been accumulated on your body, in your system, in your energy field for years and years, get you a clean slate and pull your essence out. And first and foremost, slowing down the brain waves, slowing down the breathing, slowing down the pace of this life, so you can finally have between the lines more frames per second in your memory and even retain memory in today's forcefully unnecessarily sped up world. We need to get back to our primal frequency. So this is it for all the clients since January that send inquiries. I have openings available, so check your spam folder, all of you guys, however much you were, and then see if, just see if it's in the spam folder. That's basically it for this message. Peace, health, and abundance. Peace, health, abundance, and wholeness. I am available as a human design coach, guide, and mentor, as a breathwork guide, nervous system regulator, talk therapy, emotional therapy, releasing stuck and stagnant energy, thoughts, self-worth, frustration, anxiety, depression accumulated over years of fake living, which we've been all taught how to do. Now it's time to remove things, get us back to our primal inner core software that we came here with as children, as innocent little sprouts of this kingdom of earth and heaven. Get back to life itself, the original life, the OG life, before anything has been placed on you, before any rules you have accepted. How to remove all this energy, how to slow down, how to regulate the nervous system, how to function as a neurodivergent, empath, autistic, bipolar, ADHD, any of these very harsh, very ugly words for things that have not been able to explain in regular medicine or regular psychology. I'm here to give you assistance with all of this, get your nervous system right, get you to Jedi level where nothing can faze you, and you can slow down and finally rest in who you truly are. If this is you, either check out my website and send me an inquiry, find my WhatsApp on the website, or you can send me a direct email on eyecreatelines@gmail.com and we can start talking and then set you up with sessions. Insight Timer has my courses. If you wish to listen to my courses, get Insight Timer Premium, and then you can listen to them indefinitely, independently, or you can get independently each course by itself by buying them on my website. Leave a comment on this video, buy my book through my website, subscribe, share with people you like, donate if you wish to support. And that's it for today. I wish you peace, health, abundance, and a beautiful breeze as I have right now with my beautiful friends, the birds and the bees. Rhyme every day to align.